Welcome to Professor Woodmansey's Insanity. In this class, we mainly cover reading. I'm all about that, but really, you're also coming to my class, you're coming to my life. So that includes this one right here. That's Soren. Over here is Gwen. They'll be coming in and out of the shot sometimes, and I've got baby number 3 on the way. So that's kind of my wild life right now that I'm trying to make work. And so I've got another baby on the way and a full life. But you know what? This class and doing this is my fun. This is what I really love and enjoy. And really the thing that we're going to talk about most in this class is reading. And it's like, well, I learned how to read in kindergarten. Why do I care about that? What do I need to do with that? Well, reading makes good writing makes good thinking. This is where it all comes from. So we need to start with a good foundation of reading, and these are the things that matter. And so we'll move through a lot of things in this class, mainly developmental, and we'll reach towards the point where we can actually apply this material. So we're going to use 2 books for that: George Orwell's 1984 and Aldous Huxley's A Brave New World. These books are sadly appropriate right now. That you live in America, that you should know them and be aware of the kind of things that they talk about. So we're going to use sci-fi to talk about America. So we're going to look at all the fun stuff that we can talk about in that realm. And so, yeah, while we're doing it, we've got all our wild and crazy lives. So we'll go through the realm of critical reading. We'll apply that to essay writing and how we can make this a functional tool. So the other thing that you might not know from just looking at my wildness right now with these ones is that I spent 10 years as an engineer before leaving all that for books and teaching and all this good stuff. So it has a purpose. It has an application, whether you're a math major, physics, art, anything where this class is about developing your thought process, developing how you see the world. So I hope we can all enjoy a little bit of each other's craziness and that we can learn something along the way. Thank you. Have a good class.